What's inside a black hole?
So we have equations tell us, but we've never tested this, just so you know. So it tells us that within a black hole, a whole new space-time can open up in the future history of this universe. And by that reasoning, we, in this universe, may be the other side of a black hole that lives in somebody else's universe. So that is perhaps the most intriguing part of the equations that give us black holes. If Earth happened upon a black hole that was traveling through space, an encounter between Earth and a black hole, Earth loses. Now, because we know about this tidal force that will stretch things, where the side of the Earth nearest the black hole will experience a much higher force of gravity than the side that's farthest. That means the side closest to the black hole will pull towards it, so you'll end up stretching Earth. Now, the problem with the word stretch is, you know, Earth is not Gumby. Earth is not made of rubber. Earth is made of sort of solid substance. Right. So if you're going to stretch, put under stress, Earth will basically begin to crumble into smaller and smaller bits of. So Earth will distort, become more and more oblong until the strength of the materials can't hold that shape anymore. And then it'll start sort of crumbling apart. And we call that spaghettification.